Hello guys, glad to see you here. My name is Nick, and in today's video I would like to show you how to download and play Cat Fantasy Isekai Adventure on your PC. And as you know, this game available only for mobile devices. And to download this game, first of all, you have to install a special application. So now I'm talking about an Android emulator. You can install LD Player as me, you can install BlueStacks, so Android emulator, it's like an virtual phone on your PC or laptop. And now I want to show you how this application looks like. Let's open it. You can easily install this application on their official website, and you can see that this is like a virtual mobile phone. So now let's click on the System Apps folder and open Play Store to download a game. Now you can search for this game, or you can just find it right here. So let's use the search box and type here the name of the game, Cat Fantasy. Press enter, and here it is. So this is a new game, as I know. Now I can install it. Just click on this button, and here you can read the information about this game. If you don't know what this game is, there are a lot of links on their official social media and the description, of course. Finally, Cat Fantasy is installed, and there is the play button. So to open the game, just click on this button. So here you need to agree to all, and just check these two check boxes and click on the confirm button. And I'm in the game. So this is where you have to swipe down. Yep. And just click on the cross icon at the top right. And click on start. And as you can see, the game works perfectly. So this is how you can easily install this game on your PC or laptop and play it. Hope this video was helpful. You can subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.